Okay, Stacy, aka Sign Power HV on the MTA VX16 bus. This is a Wi-Fi USB port, Nova Bus LFS. I was hoping for an Excelsior, but this is just as good. We have graffiti. We're here in Wakefield right now, taking my independent bus trip. And this is great because in 3 months I'm moving out of my parents' house. So that's something I hope that Andy's randomness gets to accomplish, because he's still living with his parents. But what are you gonna do? I've heard that he's only a little bit disabled, nowhere near as much as me in Pine Power LI, so it's really hard for him to get out, to find a place to live independently with a part-time job. Here we are. We're in Wakefield. And my favorite, Kennedy Fried Chicken. So, this is the MTA bus, right here. That's the Beeline bus, 42. There's another Nova bus, but it doesn't have Wi-Fi or USB ports. It's actually an articulated bus right there. While waiting for this bus, I just shouted at articulated Excelsior with these Wi-Fi charging ports. I said to the bus, "I love you." This is what it's like riding the bus, because I don't drive. I also thanked the bus driver for arriving late, because my train was late and I was going to miss this bus if it wasn't late. There's the Beeline bus. It's a Nabi bus. Ones that were illegally discontinued by New Flyer. Man, I hate that. I hate that monopolizing company for doing that. We still have 2 seconds until the light turns red. And what I was gonna say is that I want to give a shout out to one of my favorite, a YouTuber who's a big fan of mine. Buses, trains, trucks, cars, airplanes, subways. I might be getting those in the wrong order, but this guy's been commenting on a lot of my videos. I'm happy about that. It's not a troll, but it's a YouTuber who really admires my videos. Commented on a lot of them recently. Also watches Pine Power LI. It's cool. That's it for this video.